Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Oxy Acetylene torch kits available on the market for their true quality. You can find product links in the description below, so let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the WELD Light Duty Portable Brazing HVAC Torch Kit. This kit is specifically designed for light-duty welding and brazing tasks, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need portability and simplicity. The standout feature here is its ergonomic carrying handle and lightweight polypropylene case, which includes a waterproof storage compartment for added convenience. The all-brass torch handle and check valves ensure durability and longevity, while the rear entry regulators provide better balance for small cylinders. Performance-wise, this kit can weld up to 5/64 inch C or cut up to 1 inch with optional nozzles, making it versatile for small-scale projects. However, keep in mind that cylinders are not included, so you'll need to factor in that additional cost. Pros include its portability, ergonomic design, and durable brass components, but its limited cutting and welding capacity might not suit heavier tasks. If you're looking for a lightweight and portable solution for light-duty applications, this kit is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Victor G150 Series JCPT Portable Tote by ESAB. This kit is a step up in terms of portability and ease of use, featuring an ergonomic carrying handle and built-in storage compartments for consumables and accessories. The balanced design keeps everything compact and manageable, making it a favorite among DIYers and professionals who need mobility. The included tanks are a huge plus, as this is rare in many kits on the market. Performance-wise, this kit can handle light-duty welding, brazing, and steel cutting, making it versatile for a range of applications. However, its cutting and welding thickness limits may not suit larger projects. The pros include its portability, included tanks, and thoughtful design, but the kit's capabilities are geared toward lighter tasks rather than heavy-duty work. If you're looking for a reliable, portable option that includes everything for light-duty welding, this kit might be the one for you. Taking the number 3 spot is the ESAB Victor 0384-0945G150 JP Light Duty Gas Welding Outfit Tote Kit. This kit is essentially a tankless version of the earlier Victor model, offering a similar ergonomic carrying case and balanced design for easy transport. What sets this kit apart is its ability to handle cuts up to 1/2 inch and welds up to 1 1/4 inch with optional nozzles, making it slightly more versatile for a variety of tasks. The molded plastic case includes built-in storage compartments to keep your consumables organized, and the Oxy Acetylene capability ensures reliable performance. This kit is ideal for users who already have tanks and are looking for a high-quality torch kit to pair with their setup. Pros include its durable design, balanced portability, and high cutting, welding capacity for light-duty applications. However, the lack of included tanks might be a downside for beginners who don't already own them. Overall, this is a solid choice for professionals needing a dependable, tankless solution. At number 2, we have the WELD Medium-Duty Oxy Acetylene Torch Kit. This is a step up from the light-duty WELD model, offering medium-duty capabilities for cutting, welding, and brazing. The kit includes a heating nozzle that achieves clean cuts up to 6 inches and precise welding on materials up to 1/2 inch thick, which is impressive for its category. The regulators feature high-capacity 2.5-inch diameter gauges for optimal gas flow and consistent power, ensuring reliable performance. The rugged, blow-molded storage case adds portability and protection, while the copper tips and brass fittings enhance durability. Ideal for both beginners and experienced metalworkers, this kit balances versatility with ease of use. Its pros include strong construction, a complete set of accessories, and reliable performance. But the cons are its slightly heavier design and limited cutting thickness for industrial applications. Overall, this kit is a fantastic choice for those needing a versatile, medium-duty solution. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 You have the Hobart 77502 medium-duty Oxy Acetylene kit. This kit combines versatility, durability, and safety features into one comprehensive package, making it ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. Its forged brass handle and cutting attachment ensure long-term reliability, while the reverse flow check valves enhance safety by preventing dangerous backflow. The Hobart kit stands out for its fuel flexibility, accommodating both acetylene and propane tips to adapt to various job settings. The included accessories, such as welding and cutting tips, goggles, flashback arresters, a spark lighter, and a twin hose, make this a complete, ready-to-use solution for farming, automotive work, light fabrication, and more. At $244.99, the Hobart kit delivers outstanding value for medium-duty applications. Pros include its durability, comprehensive accessory kit, and safety features, while the cons are its slightly heavier weight and a price point that may deter budget shoppers. If you want reliability and versatility in a mid-range Oxy Acetylene torch kit, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video helped you make a decision, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.